Acknowledge the emotions. Once you acknowledge, baki sab, everything falls into place. It goes and settles down and you feel, okay. First intention was to make sure that the audience feels it's their story. I had no relationship with my father. They may not do it in front of each other, but boys and men do cry. I love being different human beings and discovering the minds of different human beings. And that's so much fun. Luckily, my boys and I get along very well, luckily.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Life. Today we have the pleasure of speaking with one of the most versatile actors of the showbiz industry, Mr. Boman Irani. Sir, thank you so much for connecting with us.
Thank you, Priyanshi. Thank you for having me.
Sir, you have read this movie. What actually inspired you? क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी धीरे धीरे चेंज हो रही है, इतनी सारी चीजें आ रही हैं. इस पर्टिकुलर जॉनरा को लिखने के लिए क्या इंस्पायर करा आपको?
मैंने ये वन लाइनर सुना था. सुजॉय घोष ने मेरे पास आए थे और सुजॉय घोष ने 5-6 स्टोरीज के वन लाइनर सुनाए मुझे. ये कैसे लग रहा है, ये कैसे लग रहा है, ये एक थ्रिलर है, ये एक इंस्पेक्टर है, ये आपको ये कैसे लग रहा है, ये फादर सन स्टोरी. तो मैंने कहा मुझे ये स्टोरी सबसे अच्छी लग रही है. बोला चलो ठीक है बनाते. तो मैं बोला नहीं, मुझे डायरेक्ट करनी है. तो मुझे उन्होंने गिफ्ट कर दिया ये वन लाइनर. अच्छा ठीक है, आप ले लो, दूसरा कुछ देखते हैं हम लोग. दूसरा कुछ बना ही नहीं था. वो स्टोरी कहानी को लेके it was basically saying a father and son have to spend 48 hours together, and after 48 hours they go to the airport and the son says don't go. हमारे फिल्म में चेंज होता है, don't go नहीं, उसको जाना पड़ता है. Father has to go, it's time for him to go. तो ये कहानी को लेके मैं मेरे दिमाग में और दिल में बस गई ये कहानी. And I don't know, I can't explain why you attracted to a story. Why did you said you liked the movie, right? Why did you like it? You don't have an answer. You might just say maybe you want to go and hug your parents. You might call up your parents. So maybe that's the feeling that may have come to me. I must have wanted something like that for myself to kind of cleanse my own soul. Just as you feel that you're missing your parents now in Lucknow and you call them up immediately. Same thing. It's the same thing, Priyansh. And I stayed with it and started developing. And then of course I met the co-writer of the film, Alex Dinelaris, and he really kind of did magic with. He did some magical stuff on the story and the screenplay, and I'll be always grateful to him. And the best part was that he just did it without taking a penny from me for all these years. We worked for 10 years on it, and 10 साल के बाद पिक्चर बनी, उसके बाद चेक गया उनके पास. After we got, some. That's the beautiful thing, because he had the same feeling. He's recalling his relationship with his father. So it's, when you say relatable is one thing, relatability is about your city or your neighbor or the way or culture is. This is for me more than relatable. It is a story of finding. You said something very nice at the start of the interview. You just have to acknowledge something.
Acknowledge the emotions.
Acknowledge the emotions. Once you acknowledge, baki sab, everything falls into place. It goes and settles down and you feel, okay, he's the same man, he's the same boy, things aren't changing, but there is some calmness. That is why the car ride, जब टैक्सी में गाड़ी में हम लोग एयरपोर्ट की तरफ जाते, खिड़की के बाहर देख रहा है, कोई शादी चल रही है वहां पे, हाथ है हैंड ब्रेक पे, बेटा देख के बोलता है यार वो तो ऐसे ही होने वाला है. सो नथिंग, you have just acknowledged the emotions. बस वही है कहानी.
मूवी ने बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली तरीके से पोर्ट्रे करा है इस फादर और सन के रिलेशनशिप को, जो आई गेस बेसिकली इंडिया में कोई भी देखेगी फैमिली तो रिलेट कर लेगी. इतना ज्यादा इसका अप्रोच अच्छा है. तो वैसे तो आप काफी वर्सेटाइल एक्टर हैं, हमने आपके बहुत डिफरेंट टाइप के रोल्स देखे हैं बहुत सारी चीजों में. क्या आपको इस रोल को करते हुए क्या कोई चैलेंज ऐसा फेस करना पड़ा? Did you face any kind of challenges while portraying this role?
चैलेंज तो हर रोल में होता है ना. You have to search, soul searching जो कहते हैं ना, कि हम एक ट्रूथफुल रिस्पॉन्स के लिए एक इंसान की फीलिंग्स के बारे में, as you said, acknowledging the emotions, उस वक्त, उस मोमेंट में, उस सिचुएशन में, you have to search within yourself. If you are in that situation, कि अगर आपको 71 साल, 71 years, no, he's staying over there. कोई बोले कि अभी अमेरिका जाना है, सब कुछ छोड़ के, सब कुछ मेमोरीज छोड़ के, हर एक फर्नीचर को छोड़ के, हर एक, तो क्या क्या उसके दिमाग में और दिल में, what's going through him? If you do not find that as a challenge, then you're not an actor. It's not easy to say, मैं तो यहाँ ऐसे कर रहा हूँ, अच्छा एक को मेकअप, okay, now I'm saying, oh, now what I'm feeling. थोड़ा मैं थोड़ा रोऊंगा तो अच्छा लगेगा ऑडियंस को. No, you have to actually feel I'm being uprooted. I'm being uprooted and she's saying, चलो चलो जल्दी करो. That's insensitive in my mind. So that character is given the job of being insensitive. चलो हम लोग करेंगे, अमेरिका में करेंगे. And I'm getting more and more upset because you're not understanding what I'm going through. So eventually, what is acting? Try your best, as best as you can, to go through what the character is actually going through and talk to the character. Talk to the character. What? ये लड़की बोल रही है जल्दी करो, तुम्हें क्या लगता है? मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, लेकिन मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. जाना तो पड़ेगा. एयरपोर्ट टिकट लिए, हम नहीं जा सकता. मैंने बीवी को मैंने वादा किया. So you have to go through those questions and find the pain inside, find all the excitement, all the sorrow, or the anger, whatever it is, but you find it, you have to feel it.
तो अभी आपने बात करी इतने वाइड स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स की कि आपने बहुत सारे करे और सब में ही आपको ट्राई करना पड़ता है, सब में कोई ना कोई चैलेंजेस होते हैं. सो क्या कोई आपका फेवरेट कैरेक्टर है जिसको आपको मतलब अगर कभी पोर्ट्रे करने को कहा जाए तो यू लाइक एंजॉयिंग डूइंग दैट कैरेक्टर?
I enjoy all my characters, Priyanshi.
That's
If you're
great.
not enjoying it, and if you don't enjoy it, even if it is, a character that you don't look for much depth, it's all right. And you're enjoying it because the public is going to enjoy it, and you get a pleasure in that. You must understand there's a pleasure. There's acting for art's sake, and there's acting for entertainment's sake, and you have to acknowledge that a certain kind of film is made purely to entertain. And you got to enjoy that. If you're not enjoying, say, no, do it because you've signed up for it. And you signed up for it, and there has to be truth in that also. Probably more truth, because you may say, ये थोड़ा बचकाना लगता है इसमें. No. Enjoy that bachkana. I don't know if I'm saying the right word. Bachkana, or how do you say it? Is that the right way of saying it? The childishness. It's a Bombay wala word. Bombaya word. I'm explaining. You know what I'm trying to say. If there's a childishness just do it. Do it with conviction. Eventually, it's all about conviction, right? So I enjoy my characters. I love being on a set, number one. I love being different human beings and discovering the minds of different human beings. And that's so much fun.
Okay. So actually अभी मैंने जब मूवी देखी तो मेरे दिमाग में एक और चीज आ रही थी. There has been a long perception in India कि boys don't cry. So आपको लगता है क्या ये एक इमोशनल रीस्ट्रेन बन के सामने आता है जब हमारे फादर और अगर हमारे ब्रदर यानी फादर और सन के कनेक्शन के बीच में, बिकॉज ऑफ विच दे आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ ईच अदर?
Well, they may not do it in front of each other, but boys and men do cry. I think that they do cry. So please, that's only a pretense. कि मैंने रोता क्यों? Because मैं मर्द हूँ. That's all rubbish. Everybody. And I think sometimes I feel, मुझे तो ऐसा कभी-कभी लगता है कि grown men cry more than even women. Very emotional. There's no weakness in crying. There's no weakness. It's about letting your emotions come to the surface and let it out. Because if you don't let it out, you're going to bottle it in, and one fine day, it's going to kind of have an effect on you. So men cry. Men do cry.
I want to ask you one more thing. आपके भी दो बेटे हैं. See, तो कहते हैं कि जो बहुत सिंपल स्टोरीज होती है जब उसको सिनेमा में दिया जाता है, उसे पोर्ट्रे किया जाता है, तो इट्स थोड़ा सा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग और साथ ही बहुत रिलेटेबल कैरेक्टर्स यूज किए जाते हैं. तो क्या आप भी उस स्टोरी लाइन से रिलेट करते हैं, लाइक इन दैट सेंस विद योर सन?
In different degrees. Luckily, my boys and I get along very well. Luckily, but it's not that there are no difference of opinions. I don't have to say, I don't put my hand on the handbrake, but I'll say, yeah, can you go a little 10 kilometers slower than normal? Yeah, okay, thank you. And they're going at 40 because the mother wants them to drive at 40. So that all this is bound to happen. This is bound to happen. It's it's the nature of that dynamic between a father and son. And there are times where you turn and say, I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. And that's good. And if your son does not agree with you, I think that's good. There's a certain individuality that you should allow. They don't agree. It doesn't mean you've got to get into a big argument. I don't agree with you, or he may not agree with me. That's perfectly okay. Luckily, we do have our disagreements, but luckily there's a lovely relationship. I had no relationship with my father, and so I don't know that side of the dynamic. I have no idea. I've got good boys. They're very loving. They're very affectionate, and that's the most important thing. You can have all your differences, but as long as there's love, affection, respect, nothing matters. Everything else is fine.
Okay. So when you were making this film, आपने जब इस फिल्म को बनाया, at that time, what was in your mind? How did you want your audience to perceive this? कैसा impact आप चाह रहे थे audience के ऊपर आए? एक होता है ना perception हम लेके चलते हैं.
I don't know. I wanted to tell a truthful story. That's all. But there were two things that I had in my mind. I wanted to tell a relatable story to draw an audience in, and then after that, if people watch it again, and I would really request you to watch the film again, if you don't mind, to find the detailing in the film and to find what's the word? To find some kind of metaphor, layering, cinema. I'm hoping that people have enjoyed the cinema of it. The first thing is get the audience in, let them feel this is my story. Everybody has said, it's like you've stolen my story. All right. Once that happens, you made them feel something. You can do any amount of cinema, any amount of color paletting, art direction, cinematography, movement, visual metaphors, jo bhi, motifs, jo bhi. But if it doesn't touch you and it doesn't move you in some form, or connect with you, all that makes no sense. Then it's just somebody showing off some kind of cinema. So my first intention was to make sure that the audience feels it's their story. That's it. And after that, and there's a famous saying in writing, more specific you make a story, the more universal it gets.
True.
Right? So you make it specific. He's like this is what he does, these are his habits, he likes to cook, this is his world, and you create the world and you say, come into my world. Once you come into the world, you're safe. I did not want to at any point push the audience to cry. I didn't want to press buttons. Like, for example, in the scene at the airport at the end, he comes, he looks at his hand, he sticks out his hand, this thing, he does what he does, and he walks out. We don't wait. We don't have tears. We have nothing. It's up to you and your tears, whether they come out or not, that's your concern. And then he comes, he doesn't even cry, he sits over there, and then we crack a joke. He sits over there and the girl tries to comfort him and says, I'm with you. My hand is on the handbrake. It's so lovely, you know. So, yeah, that's what I intended to do. Make people feel it's their story. And a lot of people say, ये तो मेरे घर की कहानी है. आपको कैसे मालूम? Somebody called us, you stole my story. अरे यार, मैंने वो किसी की story चोरी नहीं की. नहीं, मेरी कहानी मतलब one director telling me. Director friend. ये तो मेरी कहानी है. अच्छा नहीं, आपके पास भी यही कहानी? नहीं, ये मेरे घर की कहानी है यार.
तो इवेंचुअली मुझे भी एक चीज जो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी लगी मूवी में, दैट वी डिडंट ट्राई टू फिक्स द रिलेशनशिप. हमने उस रिलेशनशिप को फिक्स नहीं करा. हमने उस चीज को जिस इमोशन में थे वैसे ही एक्नॉलेज करा है, जो मैंने आपसे स्टार्टिंग में भी बोला कि वो बहुत स्पेशल लगा मुझे इस पूरी फिल्म में।
नो, बिकॉज कैसे फिक्स करेंगे, वही 71 years old, वो क्या फिक्स करेंगे? नहीं
एग्जैक्टली।
बेटा, क्या किया बेटा तूने, मुझे तूने मेरा अप्रिशिएट किया, मैंने तेरे को बोला था ना ग्लास एंड स्टील, नो नो वी डोंट गो देयर, जस्ट से हाँ ही इज गोइंग टू से हाँ थैंक यू, अच्छा डोंट, सॉरी मैंने बोलने का, मेरे को बस खलास हो गया, मैंने बोल दिया, अच्छा है, आई एक्सेप्ट योर अपॉलॉजी, चलो। फिर रोता है बूढ़ा, ही क्राइज, ही फील्स कुछ तो किया उसने, उसको समझ में नहीं आ रही है ड्राइंग्स में है क्या, लेकिन उसको समझ में आ रहा है कुछ तो किया है, नहीं तो आता नहीं घर पे। So he realizes he's won. So he gets emotional because his son has achieved something.
Okay. So are you recently like into binge watching or something? Just a question, because Korean
I'm not
dramas
a
and
good binge
international.
watcher. I'm not a good binge watcher.
So
I'm not a good.
you don't like watching Korean dramas or stuff, like, because these are trending these days a lot.
But why should I be part of a trend? I do what pleases me. I can watch movies or series or whatever they are in a period, like a 2 hour thing. I've been grown up watching movies, so my attention span and my emotional span and spectrum is for 2 hours plus, 2 hours something else. So if you ask me to watch 8 hours in a row, I've got other things to do. I can't binge watch. I'm not good at binge watching.
Are you into more of these kinds of projects, या और हम ऐसे ही सोसाइटल बैकग्राउंड के प्रोजेक्ट्स आपसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं फॉर द
No,
कमिंग इयर्स और इन द
whatever.
फ्यूचर?
No, Priyanshi, I don't know. I'm not decided yet. If I decide, ऐसे ही project करेंगे क्योंकि ये अच्छा चल गया. No. Whatever makes me feel happy, I do. Tomorrow I can turn on and do something completely different. And why not? Why should I stop myself to say, no, I made this now this is my oeuvre, this is my genre? Not at all. I'm going to do what pleases me at that point in time.
Okay. Thank you so much for connecting with us. It was a great session. Thank you.
Thank you so much.